call these the Aspen Meeting that never happened. Still, the Aspen Meeting that never happened. That's what I call them. Look at the packaging. These are very rare, only 88 made. Only 88, look at the bag. I just want you to see it. Only 88 made. Come get this. Look at this, how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Look at the leather. The leather on this ain't the regular, all right? This ain't the regular leather. And look at that. Call me MJ. Still, hold on, look. Only, this number 33. You know what I'm saying? Only 88 made. I call these the Aspen Meeting that never happened. Still, MJ, thank you. Still, big up my whole team, Jordan team, Reggie, the whole team. I call these the Aspen Meeting that never happened. Look how beautiful.